All right, so I got the new Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, and I got it yesterday. Today is um, August 7th. Um, anyway, I was having issues with volume, even especially with text or with phone calls. It would ring, but I wouldn't hear anything. And what I seem to come up with is if you turn off wrist detection, like I'll go ahead and call it now, all the volume is up 100%, but when it's called, it just gives, it gives no ringing. This happens while it's on my wrist or if it's not. So you can see there's no sound. And I've unclicked do not disturb, everything. Everything's totally off, and there's no reason it shouldn't ring. But I've been messing with it, and even with a text, it does the same thing. But if you go in, and I did double check this, even if it's on your wrist, there's no difference. But if you go in to, let's see, notifications, and go to wrist detection, actually turn that off, you'll find that everything starts working after. I don't know if it's a bug that Samsung needs to fix, but it seems to work when that setting is off. So I'll go ahead and call it again. And let's see. You'll see that it actually starts ringing. Hold on 1 second. All right. There we go. Get sound and everything. It's kind of weird. I don't know if they'll update it or what, but if you're having issues with volume, turn off wrist detection, and that should work. All right, thanks. Actually get a, yeah. All right, thank you.